This section will create all the entities. We will create a folder here called entity, and we will create a class here for user. We'll call this app user. This class should inherit identity user. We will also have these two extra properties, first name and last name. We'll save this. We'll add another entity which will be for block category. So create a class called block category, and it will have these four properties: ID, title, created, and last updated. We'll save this and we will add another entity which is for comment, and before comment we will need to create blog entity. So let's create blog entity first. So right click on entity, add, and add the new class, and should call this blog, and it will hold and it should hold these properties. Now we'll complete the comment entity. So now we have all the entities. Now we'll create our DB context here. We'll right click on server and add a class, and we'll call this app.db context, and it will inherit from identity DB context. We'll add a constructor which is passing the DB context options. Now we'll add 3 DB sets of the entities that we just created. One is DB set for blogs, one is DB set for categories, and one is DB set for comments. Now we will edit our app settings.json for the connection string. So this is the default connection string. We are calling the database as blogsite.db.